Looking to upgrade your PS5 storage in 2025? With game file sizes growing and your console's internal storage quickly filling up, adding a high-speed SSD is the smartest move for smoother gameplay and shorter load times. But not all SSDs are created equal, especially when it comes to compatibility with Sony's strict PS5 requirements. In this guide, we've rounded up the best SSDs for PS5 in 2025 based on speed, reliability, price, and real-world performance. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive pro, these SSDs will help you get the most out of your PlayStation 5. Number 5. Crucial T500. The Crucial T500 earns its spot as the 5th best SSD for PS5 in 2025, offering a fantastic balance of performance, affordability, and reliability for gamers looking to expand their console's storage. This PCIe 4.0 NVMe M2 SSD delivers sequential read speeds of up to 7,400 Mbps and write speeds of up to 7,000 Mbps, ensuring quick game load times and smooth performance. Available in 1 TB and 2 TB capacities, with a 4 TB option missing, it's ideal for those needing substantial storage without breaking the bank. The T500's DRAM cache and 232-layer TLC NAND flash provide consistent performance, even during intense gaming sessions. Its optional heatsink version, priced just $10 more than the bare drive, fits perfectly in the PS5's M2 slot, keeping temperatures in check. In testing, the T500 excels in PC Mark X's storage benchmarks, outperforming many competitors in file copy tasks, though it trails slightly behind the WD Black SN850X in gaming-specific tests. With a durability rating of 1200 TBW for the 2 TB model, it's built to last through years of heavy use. The Crucial T500 is a value-driven choice, especially at its discounted price of around $124.99 for the 2 TB heatsink model, making it a top pick for budget-conscious PS5 owners. Installation is straightforward, and Micron's 5-year warranty adds peace of mind. If you're after a reliable, high-performing SSD that doesn't cost a fortune, the T500 is a stellar option for your PS5 upgrade. Check it out for a cost-effective way to boost your console's storage and performance. Number 4. Acer Predator GM7000. The Acer Predator GM7000 takes the 4th spot for its blistering speed and PS5 compatibility, making it a formidable choice for gamers in 2025. This PCIe 4.0 NVMe M2 SSD boasts sequential read speeds of up to 7,400 Mbps and write speeds of around 6,700 Mbps, placing it among the fastest drives in its class. Available in 500 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB capacities, it caters to various storage needs, with the 2 TB model offering 200 TBW for long-term durability. The GM7000's optional aluminum heatsink is compact enough for the PS5's M2 slot, ensuring optimal thermal performance during extended gaming. In benchmarks like Crystal Diskmark, it matches top-tier drives like the ADATA XPG S70 Blade with exceptional 4K read scores, ideal for quick game loading. PC Mark X and 3D Mark storage tests show it performs well in general storage and gaming tasks, though it falls slightly behind the WD Black SN850X in some metrics. Acer's Predator brand brings reliability, backed by a 5-year warranty and 256-bit AES encryption for data security. Priced competitively, especially at $269.99 for the 2 TB model, it's a strong contender for PS5 users seeking high performance without premium pricing. The GM7000 also includes Acronis True Image software for data cloning, adding versatility for PC use. For PS5 gamers wanting a fast, feature-rich SSD with a sleek design, the Acer Predator GM7000 is a top-tier choice that delivers speed and reliability. Number 3. Corsair MP600 PRO LPX. Ranking 3rd, the Corsair MP600 PRO LPX is a standout SSD for PS5 in 2025, designed specifically with console gamers in mind. This PCIe 4.0 NVMe M2 SSD offers sequential read speeds of up to 7,100 Mbps and write speeds of 6,800 MB/s, delivering near-instant game load times and smooth performance. Available in 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB capacities, it suits gamers with large libraries, with the 2 TB model priced at $169.99, a 15% discount from its $199.99 list price. Its pre-installed heatsink is optimized for the PS5's compact M2 slot, ensuring excellent thermal management without additional purchases. In 3D Mark storage benchmarks, it performs competently, but lags slightly behind the WD Black SN850X due to its lower quality flash memory. Its 700 TBW rating for the 1 TB model is lower than some competitors, but sufficient for most PS5 users, as reaching this limit is unlikely in console use. The MP600 PRO LPX's build quality and aesthetics make it a favorite, backed by Corsair's 5-year warranty. It's an easy-to-install option requiring only a single screw for the PS5's SSD bay cover, as shown in Sony's official guide. For gamers seeking a balance of speed, capacity, and value, this SSD is a reliable choice. The Corsair MP600 PRO LPX is perfect for PS5 owners who want a hassle-free upgrade with strong performance and a sleek, console-ready design. Number 2. WD Black SN850X. The WD Black SN850X secures the second spot as one of the best SSDs for PS5 in 2025, offering exceptional performance and high capacity for serious gamers. This PCIe 4.0 NVMe M2 SSD delivers sequential read speeds of up to 7,300 MB/s and write speeds of 6,600 MB/s, making it a leader in reducing game load times. Available in 1 TB, 2 TB to 4 TB, and an impressive 8 TB model, it caters to gamers with massive libraries, though the 8 TB version is pricey at $579 without a heatsink. The SN850X shines in 3D Mark storage benchmarks, setting records for gaming performance, particularly with direct storage optimization for future proofing. Its 1200 TBW rating for the 2 TB model ensures durability, and the optional heatsink version SN850P is PS5 ready, though a DIY heatsink can save costs. In PC Mark 10 tests, it excels in file transfers, but is slightly outpaced by the crucial T500 in some general storage tasks. The SN850X's double-sided design may run warmer during heavy writes, but this is rarely an issue for PS5 use, as writes are limited by internet speeds. Backed by a 5-year warranty, it's a premium choice at $89 for the 1 TB model. For PS5 gamers seeking top-tier speed and capacity, the WD Black SN850X is a near-perfect upgrade, delivering unmatched performance and reliability. Number 1. Samsung 990 PRO. Topping our list as the best SSD for PS5 in 2025 is the Samsung 990 PRO, a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology with PS5 compatibility. This PCIe 4.0 NVMe M2 SSD boasts sequential read speeds of up to 7,450 MB/s and write speeds of 6,900 MB/s, ensuring lightning-fast game loading and smooth gameplay. Available in 1 TB, 2 TB, and a single-sided 4 TB model, it's perfect for gamers needing high capacity, with the 2 TB version priced at $149.99. The 990 PRO's updated 236-layer VNAND and Piccolo controller resolve earlier firmware issues, delivering consistent performance. Its PS5-compliant heatsink option ensures optimal cooling, critical for intense gaming sessions. In Crystal Disk Mark and 3D Mark storage tests, it rivals the WD Black SN850X with superior 4K RID performance for quick game access. The 1200 TBW rating for the 2 TB model guarantees long-term reliability, backed by Samsung's 5-year warranty. PC Mark 10 results show it excels in small file transfers, edging out the SN850X in some tasks. Samsung's Magician software enhances PC-based maintenance, adding versatility. While slightly pricier per GB than some alternatives, its performance and reliability make it the ultimate PS5 SSD. For gamers seeking the best speed, capacity, and thermal efficiency, The Samsung 990 PRO is the top choice for an unrivaled PS5 upgrade.